Welcome to episode 4 of The Road to Cannonball. In this episode, we will assemble the Malossi MultiVAR and Delta Clutch CVT Transmission. First, we install the intermediary roller. I've already disassembled the stock-driven pulley and clutch using an impact wrench. After cleaning the grease pack and replacing the seals, it's time for reassembly. Using the Piaggio clutch seal installation tool makes this job easy and ensures you don't damage the new seals during reassembly. It's a good idea to re-grease the internal roller bearings while we're in here. The clutch contraspring is included in the MultiVAR variator kit, and the Delta Clutch kit includes the clutch assembly and outer bell. The entire assembly is under a great deal of pressure from the contraspring. It's an easy job if you have the Piaggio clutch compression tool, which I don't. Be careful when you compress it by hand and try and rethread the retaining nut. It can hurt you. A little bit of Loctite and torquing it down to the proper spec will make sure it doesn't come loose. The drive belt is meant to operate in a specific direction. Compress the driven pulley by hand and seat the belt before installing back into the engine. Next, we'll install the Malossi MultiVAR variator. The MultiVAR variator comes with both 14 gram and 16 gram weights. I've mixed and matched the variator weights to an average of 15 grams. This means that I have another complete set of spare weights to install during my midway Cannonball belt change. Reinstall the variator drive pulley and torque it to the proper spec. Install the Delta Clutch bell. Put the transmission cover back on. And now it's time to put the engine back in. Now that the engine is securely back in, don't forget to go back and torque the driven pulley outer nut.